shirt.
Right. Okay. All right. Cool. Hello? Is there anybody back there? Don't know my G's. My G's. What the hell? Hello? No.
Yo, what going on,
Oh.
Wait up. Yo, you know, so we have a special to drop on Woodfield, brother. You see me? Some Woodfield, you stand up straight today again, you see me? I say? And then when you buy this, you can get this for like 50% off. Cause after you mash her up, you're gonna need some help to fix up her back, you see me? I say?
Mash her up?
Like, hear me, I say, brother? Some baba roots for the thing. For round two.
Oh, for some boom boom.
Yeah, for some boom boom, brother. You don't know the things that dog.
Wait, pause. I'm not here for that actually. I'm just here for some food. Like, is that off in the right place?
Oh, hold on there.
What the fuck?
Welcome to
Whoa,
Parties and
bro.
Pearls. What you mean, brother? What you want to do? What you want?
Whatever. Yo, y'all got steamed fish, man?
Steamed fish? Yeah, man, we have steamed fish.
Oh yeah, is it hard or soft, man?
Why? Yo, hey, Mr. Man, steamed fish done.
Alright, fine. You guys have some jerk chicken?
Yeah, man, we have jerk chicken.
Okay, cool. Can I have the live chicken?
What do you mean by the live
Like
chicken?
two, you know what I'm saying? But y'all gonna jerk him, right? So, but you gotta come out. You gotta have the jerk chicken come out with, you know what I'm saying? He's gonna be alive because I'm vegan, so that's how I just want to run it. Like, I don't want him to be dead, you know what I'm saying?
Jerk chicken done.
Alright, cool. Alright, what about that curry chicken, man?
Yeah, man, we have curry chicken. You want that live too?
No, man, I don't. I mean, yeah, I want it alive.
Curry chicken done.
So, you're telling me the steamed fish is done, the jerk chicken is done, and the curry chicken is done?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we got oxtail, man, let's go.
Alright, cool.
Came here.
So you want that large or small oxtail?
Large. Could you make sure there's no bones in it, please? And also, when you do like the rice and peas, could you make sure there's no peas in the rice, bro? You know what I'm saying? But I also forgot. You know, my girl Pum Pum, she wants a frozen drink with no ice. You know what I'm saying? What y'all?
Yo, mind you, man, quick as blood, you know.
Yo, make sure you take care of the customer, you know. I'm gonna have 3 Britney and twins by the way, you know, yo.
Come on, man. Where's the oxtail at? Where's that Jamaican oxtail at, man?
Fine, sure. Anything else, sir?
I might take me a bottle of this.
Alright, cool. So,
Looks cool.
alright, so have a seat. I'll have the order out for you very shortly. Alright. Have a seat, please. Have a seat.
Appreciate it.
Oxtail, no bone.
Oh, what's going on, man?
Rice and peas,
Yeah.
no peas.
That's me. Yeah. Appreciate it. These guys are funny, man. I can't believe it, man. You guys are so funny. Oh, this is good, man. Well, have me some fun with this one. Wait, no, I need a fork. Hey, man, can I have a fork?
My apologies.
Thanks, man. Let's do this, man. Oh, wait, I gotta pray first. Yeah, right. That was so good. I ate that so much. Look like a plate now. All right. Hey, man. Can I get that bill, please?
Here you go, sir.
Cool. Huh? Wait, what? Holy shit. Bruh. Hey man, could you, what the hell? Hey man, could you come, like, explain the bill to me, please? Like,
Yes, sir. What seems to be the problem?
man, what's going on with all this right here, man?
Oh, all right. Let me explain. All right,
Yeah.
so the bill breakdown. All right, so there's an asking questions charge asking stupid questions, Chad. Zine, like there's $100 per question, and you ask like 8 stupid questions, so that's $800. Right?
What?
Then there's an accent tax. It's because you're not Jamaican, isn't it?
But this is how it's be.
Nah, bro. Nah. Hear me say, man, accent tax, $100. Isn't me I say? Then there's a no locks charge, now a dreadlocks, it's the next $100. Then there's a complimentary water charge. Isn't me? That's the next $100 for the complimentary.
What water, bro? What the?
Alright.
No, dude.
Then
what?
Then there's the there's an extra charge for asking for boneless oxtail.
You guys...
Is it me I say? Man, $500 if you ask for boneless oxtail. Is it me I say? Then there is the wasting my damn time with all of this foolishness. That's the next $400. Is it me I say? Then, brother, you're not even wearing the clocks. Is it me? In about the clocks, that's $300.
I'm wearing shoes.
And hear me I say, man, bad man don't wear glasses. That's the next $100. And then.
What could I like go like?
Hear me I say? And then you see the extra gravy. That was the next $400. I'm gonna put on you. Is it me I say? Then the oxtail was $18. So your grand total is $3,518.
But that doesn't that. You're telling I don't see any rule on the wall telling me I have to meet all these classifications. This is a violation, man. A U.S. constitutional violation, man. Look at this right here. What is this?
I want Jamaican restaurant this youth.
But you're on U.S. soil, man. Man, I'm gonna call the authorities on you, man. Man, what is this?
Oh, you mean people that don't know is your boy Yaadman Etan. And the winners for last week's Froribbean Fest ticket giveaways are Janine Lee, Yvonne Mears, and Shetu Danso. Now please DM me on Instagram for details on how to claim your tickets. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see you guys at Froribbean Fest.
It all takes place Saturday, September 29th at Central Park ATL. Did I mention you're your own bartender? That's right, it's a BYOB. Someone just got utter. This is guaranteed to be a sold-out event. Froribbean Fest. Log on to FroribbeanFest.com now for event details, artist lineup, and tickets.